एंड अ वेरी हैप्पी न्यू ईयर टू ऑल ऑफ यू। मैं आपकी होस्ट नेहा जैन आप सबका स्वागत करती हूँ टू सेलिब्रेट द ग्रैंड सक्सेस ऑफ 45। प्लीज हैव अ राउंड ऑफ अप्लॉज प्लीज। This film has brought three superstars of Kannada cinema, Dr. Shivraj Kumar sir, Upendra sir and Rajbir Shetty sir. ये फिल्म साउथ इंडियन सिनेमा में ब्लॉकबस्टर बन चुकी है एंड नाउ इट्स ऑल सेट टू विन हार्ट्स इन हिंदी बेल्ट एज वेल। 45 ने सिर्फ बॉक्स ऑफिस पर ही नहीं बल्कि ऑडियंस के दिलों में भी काफ़ी स्ट्रॉन्ग इम्प्रेशन छोड़ा है। तो इसी बात पे हम देखते हैं इस फिल्म के सॉन्ग्स। एक नंबर नहीं, इसके पीछे एक डीप मीनिंग है। तो ये जो फिल्म है ये बेस्ड है गरुड़ पुराण पे। इस फिल्म में बताया गया है कि जब आपकी मृत्यु हो जाती है तो उसके बाद आपके साथ 45 डेज तक क्या होता है, बेस्ड ऑन योर कर्मा चॉइसेस, जो भी आपने किया है अपनी असल जीवित जिंदगी में। इट्स अ वेरी ब्यूटिफुल कॉन्सेप्ट एंड अ वेरी ब्यूटिफुल स्टोरी जो आपको अपने पूरे परिवार के साथ जाना चाहिए। डोंट यू थिंक ये यंगस्टर्स को इंस्पायर करेगी, उन्हें भी ये चीज़ जानना चाहिए? व्हाट डू यू थिंक? बिकॉज आज की जो जनरेशन है काफ़ी इन चीज़ों से दूर है। तो आई एम श्योर दिस विल बी अ रियली ट्रीट फॉर द फैमिली। सो इसी ओकेशन को इसी ओकेशन को और भी स्पेशल बनाने के लिए हमारे यहाँ काफ़ी स्पेशल लोग मौजूद हैं। अगर ये नहीं होते तो ये पॉसिबल नहीं हो पाता। तो हम इस फिल्म के पिलर्स को इनवाइट करना चाहेंगे। तो सबसे पहले पुट योर हैंड्स टुगेदर फॉर द प्रोड्यूसर ऑफ द फिल्म हु ट्रूली बिलीव्ड इन दिस विजन एंड ब्रॉट इट टू लाइफ। एक नेशनल अवार्ड विनर जिन्होंने हमेशा स्ट्रॉन्ग और मीनिंगफुल सिनेमा को सराहा है और उसे सपोर्ट किया है। तो प्लीज जोरदार तालियों के साथ स्वागत करिए आर रमेश रेड्डी सर, द प्रोड्यूसर ऑफ फिल्म 45। हेलो सर एंड वेलकम टू मुंबई।
थैंक यू। मेरे लैंग्वेज प्रॉब्लम, आपका कन्नड़ा बात कर दिया तो मीडिया आदमी को फुल धन्यवाद। कितना आदमी आया का थैंक यू। मैं कन्नड़ा में बात कर दिया, ट्रांसलेट करना कौन कन्नड़ा का आदमी आ जाए को अच्छा है
सर। क्योंकि ये फिल्म का सब्जेक्ट इतना इंटरेस्टिंग है, इट्स अ वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग सब्जेक्ट, तो लैंग्वेज इज नॉट अ बैरियर। ये ज़्यादातर लोगों तक पहुंचनी चाहिए, फीलिंग्स पहुंचनी चाहिए रादर देन लैंग्वेज। व्हाट डू यू थिंक?
लैंग्वेज प्रॉब्लम प्लीज।
दैट्स द रीजन आप इसे हिंदी में भी रिलीज कर रहे हैं। या
सर को थोड़ा लैंग्वेज का प्रॉब्लम है।
हाँ, सो जैसे मैंने कहा अगर लैंग्वेज शुडंट बी अ प्रॉब्लम, जब एक बहुत खूबसूरत स्टोरी होती है उसे ज़्यादातर ऑडियंस तक पहुंचनी चाहिए और सिर्फ लैंग्वेज के वजह से उसे नहीं पहुंचाना तो गलत होगा ना। तो सर लैंग्वेज इज नॉट अ प्रॉब्लम, फीलिंग्स नीड्स टू रीच।
सर को ये सब्जेक्ट है ना 45, व्हाट इज द 45, ये सब्जेक्ट गरुड़ पुराण बेस्ड सब्जेक्ट है। सर को बहुत ये कंटेंट पे भरोसा था, ये मूवी बनाना है अब सबको दिखाना है करके, उसलिए मूवी प्रोड्यूस करिए सूरज प्रोडक्शन से।
सर एक वन क्वेश्चन, हाउ डू यू फील कमिंग टू मुंबई?
बहुत खुश हो गया मैम, मुंबई को आया को बहुत खुश हुआ। कितना आदमी को मैं देखा को फुल खुश, मीडिया आदमी को देखो फुल खुश है। फुल आदमी को फिल्म को देखना को तुम क्या रिजल्ट आपका बोलना सर। अच्छा कंटेंट है गरुड़ पुराण में, फर्स्ट टाइम इंडिया में फर्स्ट कंटेंट सर गरुड़ पुराण में को कर दिया। प्लीज़ वॉच टू थिएटर का। थैंक यू।
और अब इंडस्ट्री में पहली बार एज अ डायरेक्टर पैर रखने जा रहे हैं। सो प्लीज वेलकम ऑन द स्टेज द डायरेक्टर, द कैप्टन ऑफ द शिप, मिस्टर अर्जुन जानिया सर। हेलो सर, वेलकम। सर जैसे कि हम सब जानते हैं इस फिल्म में आपका ट्रिपल रोल है। triple role on camera नहीं, off camera.
Okay.
So you have directed the film,
Yeah.
music भी दिया है आपने, you have co-written also.
Yeah.
तो ये triple role play करते हुए आप कितने excited थे और ये कितना challenging रहा है?
It was very exciting actually. Namaste sab, and Happy New Year to everyone. This film is a very different genre of film. So it says more about our Sanatana Dharma and more about Garuda Puran. And there is a lot of things which the youngsters can take and go while watching the film and leaving the theaters. So please do watch it and bless us. Thanks.
That's amazing. So first debut film as a director. Coming to Hindi belt, ये risk लेने का आपने कैसे सोचा और what is the idea behind it?
No, this is for everyone. This is not for, it doesn't have any language barriers. This is a very common thing which all human beings should understand and live like that. So there's no risk for me. Yeah.
That's great. So now, finally, put your hands together. I would like to invite on the stage the who needs no introduction, the legendary superstar, Dr. Shivraj Kumar sir. Welcome, sir.
Thank you, thank you.
And it's a pleasure sharing stage with all three of you. Thank you for being here.
Thank you.
So just one question. The film is already making noises in Kannada film industry in South. What is your expectation from Hindi belt?
We should not expect anything. Just accept and go, whatever they say. One saying is that we have to try because good subjects should reach everywhere in India. That's what is our goal. So we have tried our best and we have made one unique, universal. This is not exactly for South India or North India. It's for whole India actually. Not only India, the whole world can relate this subject actually. And life after death, it's a lovely imagination of a director. What will happen? And one layer of the subject will be going, and another layer will be coming, where you can go into the world of 45. And what happens in the world of 45 is the film.
Yeah.
Lovely subject, and myself, Rajbir Shetty and Upendra sharing the screen. And I come post-interval. After interval, till interval, Upendra and Rajbir Shetty. Rajbir Shetty will be throughout. He has got combination with me, Upendra, and finally we all three come together. Very interesting subject because everybody's life, there will be a turning point actually. And everywhere it happens in every family, and everybody will be having an illusion actually. When anybody passes out, anybody who expires. For me, it's I have experience in my life, my father, my brother, my mother. So these things, what will happen, suppose if that thing would have not happened, how it will be. That illusion will be there. Suddenly we will wake up in the dreams. Here, a lot of things are there where you can relate each other in this film. And lot of emotions are there, and lot of messages there where you can carry. Even now, it is not meant for only youngsters or any people from 4 years to age of 80, 90 years. You know, they can watch the film. They can enjoy the film with entertainment, and a good message is there when you go out of.
That's great, sir. So you have played so versatile roles throughout your career. Is that advice or a tip you would like to give to the aspiring actors?
I think every actor is brilliant nowadays. They get inspired by many things actually nowadays. Be into yourself actually, because don't try to imitate others. Be yourself so that you can show your own style. Because being son of Rajkumar, I never wanted to imitate my father at all in my life, because I wanted my own style to be recognized actually. Otherwise, I would have not been Shivraj Kumar now. Already 41st year, this is my 41st year in the film industry. Already 130 films I have done. Still people wants me to act. Many people wants me to direct youngsters like him, you know. He is younger to me by he's around 40, 42. I am 63. So lot of age gap, but still, no, look-wise that's different. But thing is, this is the truth actually, I should say. And I'm very, very blessed. And now I'm doing in Telugu, Tamil. And after Jailer, I think my this one took another turn in my life. I think I can't forget that. And nowadays, even I'm getting offer in Telugu also, Hindi, Tamil also. Hindi, not yet, and not tried at all. But still, if any good project comes, I will be there. Because one subject I was supposed to do, somehow that did not take up actually. But I'll be doing. But thing is, I would like to advise that you should be yourself, you should follow your own style, and wait. And don't get dejected or anything, my this is not working out. It will work out someday, because for us, no, God is one. For God, there are crores of people will be waiting for them. So everybody will be getting a chance. He'll come and meet everybody in life. That's what I feel. Yeah.
So that's such a beautiful advice. I'll also. Lastly, just a small message or an appeal you would like to make to the Hindi audience, your Hindi fans.
No, I'm saying 100% if you come and watch, come into the world of 45, no, you'll 100% have entertainment, lot of emotional scenes are there where you can connect, and the telling philosophy in an entertaining way, it's very different from here. You can really come and watch and learn a lot of things, Then you can really go into the subject actually. And all the characters, they have done very well, Rajbir Shetty and Upendra sir, myself, and mother character. Yeah, Kantara, she has done her mother's role. So that woman is there, and one more heroine, Kaustubamani, and the producer, Ramesh Reddy sir. I think he has showed faith on me and Arjun Janya. And I think I thank already the film is doing very well in Canada. So I hope people will love to watch this film.
ऑल्सो आप सब मेरे मीडिया फ्रेंड्स को थैंक यू हमें ज्वाइन करने और इस सेलिब्रेशन का पार्ट बनने के लिए. वी होप फर्स्टली कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस, क्योंकि साउथ में ऑलरेडी ब्लॉकबस्टर हो गई है. हम चाहते हैं कि ये हिंदी बेल्ट में भी उतनी ही ब्लॉकबस्टर बने सर, और आप बिल्कुल हिंदी सिनेमा में आए. सो थैंक यू सो मच. Thank you for everything, and Happy New Year once again to all of you.
Tell me about your, do you come every year you come to Bombay? How important is Bombay as a territory for Kannada films?
For me, I did my film called AK-47, 50th film of mine. I shot here for nearly about 2 months, 2.5 months I was here. And I've shot many films, almost 3-4 films I've done shootings here. And I came, my first remembrance was my father's film shooting went on here. Ravi Chandra, one film was there. We were here for 10 days actually. So that was my first entry to Bombay actually. Otherwise, we keep coming often to Bombay.
How important is Mumbai as a territory for a film like this?
I think because it gives a bigger bigger vision also. Many people are there who can see and enter. Because nowadays after KGF and Kantara and Sibil Savanchali, everybody is looking towards South. That after even Rajmouli sir's Bahubali and Triple R, because a lot of people are towards South films. So I feel this film will be because it's a universal thought. I think it will be better if people watches this film, and there are some good points and emotions so that people can carry out that emotion and the message in their life. Actually.
And you mentioned that you want to do a lot of Hindi films. Anything specific you want to talk about working in Hindi cinema?
Not exactly, because I should get an offer. Because if I want to do a Hindi film, it should be not usually a commercial film where I can come and show dance or fight. That's what many heroes are there who is doing already. I want to show something else. They should feel tomorrow. They should watch. Oh, this is Shivraj Kumar's cinema. They should feel like that.
What kind of cinema do you want to be part of?
It should be very different, where I can enter into the heart of the people. They should think this is a character. Because today, many people recognize me as Om Satya. Om is a film where, that was Indian's first film where lot of re-release was there. Nearly about 500 to 600 times it was re-released. And we gave the satellites just about 7-8 years back. That film is already 30 years old. Even now people watches that. It should be a character like that where I can enter into them. Even now, today, Karnataka, if I go anywhere in Karnataka, they say Satya. That Satya means truth. My name also is Satya. So like that, a character should be that they should recognize me like that. Or
One last question.
Culturally, culturally they should see me. For Indian culture, they should see me. They should recognize me as the Indian culture actually.
Rishabh and Yash have taken Kannada films to a next level. Made, the world is open to Kannada films after that. What is your take on it and on these two boys, Rishabh and Yash?
I think we are very proud actually, very happy, no? If they would have not tried, KGF would have not come here, or Kantara would have not come here. They took up this one stand. That's what is guts. So even we have come with the same guts. Let's see what's going to happen, that's all. I'm really proud of it.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.
Your experience and your challenges you faced during this film.
ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾ ನೀವು ಕೂತ್ಕೊ ಯಾ ನೀವು ಕೂರಿ ಹಾಯ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ನ್ಯೂ ಇಯರ್ ಟು ಯು ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಯಾ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ a very different experience because I as a music director worked there for 20 years and did more than 150 films here in Kannada. So this is my debut as a director and it is a great experience to work with legends like Shivana, Uppi sir and Rajbhi Shetty. And yeah, this is not a regular film, so I'm excited to present it to Mumbai and just need your blessings.
हेलो दिस इज़ विनय। आपने शुरुआत की थी एज एन एक्टर, 2 साल हो गए आपको पॉलिटिक्स ज्वाइन किए। तो ये जो आपने स्विच किया, अब नाउ यू आर द पॉलिटिशियन निकिता घाग। सो ये एक्सपीरियंस कैसा रहा, और एज अ लोगों की सेवा करते करते अपने प्रोफेशन को साथ में रखने का ये कैसा एक्सपीरियंस रहता है, और आपको कौन कौन सी डिफ़िकल्टीज फेस करनी होती है?
पॉलिटिक्स तो मुझे पहले से ज्वाइन करना था। एक्टिंग में कुछ प्रोजेक्ट्स अच्छे खासे चल जाने के बाद मैंने सोचा, जब मैं काम कर रही थी तब मैंने देखा कि क्रू मेंबर्स को, डायरेक्टर्स को, एक्टर्स को कितनी तकलीफ़ें झेलनी पड़ती है, डिले ऑफ पेमेंट्स एंड लॉट्स ऑफ थिंग्स। मतलब मैं अभी नहीं बता सकती, बहुत तकलीफ़ें होती है। तो मैंने सोचा कि वाई शुड नॉट, मतलब मैं क्यों ना फिल्म इंडस्ट्री से ही स्टार्ट करूं। इसीलिए मैंने बीजेपी में एंटर किया, जस्ट बिकॉज आई नो व्हाट एक्टर्स एंड क्रू मेंबर्स आर गोइंग थ्रू। तो उनको इंसाफ दिलाने के लिए, उनकी सारी दिक्कतें दूर करने के लिए मैंने पॉलिटिक्स ज्वाइन करने का निर्णय लिया। बट शिव जी की कृपा से, भगवान की कृपा से अब सिर्फ फिल्म इंडस्ट्री ही नहीं, तो एयरपोर्ट्स, होटल इंडस्ट्री एंड महाराष्ट्र की सारी कंपनीज, फैक्ट्रीज़ की भी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी मुझे मिली है और ये सब के अंडर में काम कर रही हूँ। तो मैं खुश हूँ जो स्विच मैंने किया। काफ़ी तकलीफ़ें हुई, काफ़ी ट्रोल हुई, बट येस आई एम हैप्पी नाउ।
बीजेपी ज्वाइन करने से पहले, जैसे एज एन एक्टर आपने बीजेपी के सारे पॉलिटिशियन को देखा होगा, उनसे मिली होगी, तो आप किसको फॉलो करती थी? आपका फ्लो क्या था बीजेपी ज्वाइन करने से पहले? आपका कोई आइडियल था उसमें?
हमारे सीएम देवेंद्र फडणवीस जी, वो पहले से ही मेरे आइडल रहे हैं और भगवान की कृपा से अब उनका हाथ सर पर है तो सब कुछ मुमकिन है।
Shivana, this is Surya here from Bollywood Crazies. I'm here sitting, sir. Of course, we have seen a lot of films of yours in the past. It's great that Kannada cinema brings something new, refreshing every new year, every year. And this is the debut film of Arjun Janya, sir. Tell us about Shivana, sir. Your process of selecting a role and then getting into the character of any particular role. As you earlier said that you take time to choose some different script. Tell us something to the fans in Mumbai, that what is the process of yours selecting a film? Because as we have seen few of the glimpses, the movie is also doing good. Tell us about the process, I think.
Actually, this film, no, that is the way I am, actually. The way I have behaved in this film, no, that's the way I am in my life also. I might dress up well and I might wear costly jeans, but still I'm very simple in heart, always. Because I like dressing, wearing jeans and expensive jeans. But apart from that, there's one thing called humanity. I'm always very pure in my heart. I'm very frank. I talk with everybody. There's no partialities. I should talk with them or the other. The same characters. This one, what I have played. Shivappa. I play Shivappa. So this character is almost me, I can say. I can relate to myself from my younger age, how I was. The same thing, the character I played here. And usually I'll be always jovial in my life. Here also the way I behaved with Rajbir Shetty or Upendra, sometimes roughness also, there's a love in that. Whatever he speaks, there's a love in this film. That's the way I am. That's my character, I can say. And whichever character I just prefer to do, if it goes to my heart, I'll really do. Otherwise, sometimes sometimes directors get a good script. Sometimes while making it goes ulta pada, then I can't help it what to do. I have to finish it because of my producer. So I should see there also like that. So it happens.
Shivan, sir, you have, I think, n number of films in your career. Tell us about the upcoming projects if you want to speak something to the media of Mumbai.
Now I'm one film called Dad. Dad is I'm doing one film called Dad because I love my dad. This is the caption. I love my dad. I'm glad I'm dad. That's all. And one more film is in Telugu with Ram Charan. I'm doing Pedi. I'm doing a special role in that film, and it's a very beautiful role. And one more film in Telugu I'm doing as a main lead called Gummadi Narsaya. It's based on a biopic. It's based on a real person's life. And there's a lovely script. Why I loved doing the script is because I always, whenever I see Gummadi Narsaya, I see my father in him because my father used to live for others, the same character he has got. So I was very touched by this role. I'm very happy that I'm doing that. First time as a lead in Telugu I'm doing. And Jailer 2 is almost done. Almost 3-4 days are there. And one more project I'm starting, my home production, Geeta Pictures. A for Anand. It's called as A for Anand. And one film called Bail. B-A-I-L, Bail I'm doing. Yeah.
Jane sir, this is the debut film, as you also say. So no, आपने इतनी सारी फिल्मों में music दिया है, and what comes in your mind that you have started a film and made a film, such a beautiful film in the first attempt? What is that small कुछ short में कहेंगे आपका?
No, this was a very different story which I just wrote as a story and a script. I just wanted to give it to Shivana and wanted others to direct the film. So, but Shivana listened to my story and he said, the way you're narrating the film, I think you have to direct. So, from a music director, Shivana made me a director. Yeah.
मैम मेरा नाम किशन है और मेरा बीजेपी लगातार की बात करें तो हाल ही में एक लीडर ने शाहरुख सर को टारगेट किया. उन्होंने कहा कि शाहरुख खान इज़ अ एंटी नेशनल. आप क्या बिलीव करते हैं? आप एक्टर भी है, सिनेमा से है, शाहरुख खान को एंटी नेशनल बोलना, अगर कुछ मतभेद हो सकते, आप उन्हें लेटर लिख सकते थे, लेकिन एंटी नेशनल बोलना, क्या ये सही है? व्हाट इज़ योर टेक ऑन दैट?
शाहरुख जी बहुत ही बड़े लेजेंडरी एक्टर है. एंड जो भी वाद विवाद चल रहे हैं, अब फिलहाल इलेक्शन चल रहे हैं, तो हम इस बारे में ना ही बात करें तो बेहतर होगा.
सबके लिए हैप्पी न्यू ईयर सर. एंड इतनी अच्छी मूवी लेके आए आप. मैम मुझे आपसे ही सवाल है मैम. मैम आपसे ही सवाल है मुझे कि बीजेपी के हो या कांग्रेस के हो, बहुत सारे एक्टर जो है बॉलीवुड में भी काम कर रहे हैं पॉलिटिकल साथ साथ. आपको अगर मौका मिला तो शिव जी के साथ काम करोगे या किस तरह का आप स्टोरी देख रहे हो आप खुद को दोबारा लॉन्च करने के लिए? थोड़ा बताएंगे आप?
ज़रूर.
ओके. यस.
मैं पहले एक एक्टर थी और अंदर का एक्टर कभी नहीं मर सकता. नेता और अभिनेता ज़्यादा डिफरेंस नहीं है. तो यस, आई एम हिज बिग फैन. अगर चांस मिला तो ज़रूर करूँगी. वापस पर्दे पर आना चाहूँगी कभी ना कभी.
शिव सर आपको कंग्रेचुलेसन. बहुत अच्छी मूवी है. ट्रेलर देखा हमने, मज़ा आ गया. पर हम जानना चाहते हैं कि पिक्चर रिलीज हो चुका है, हम इतने देर क्यों किए बम्बई में आने में? क्योंकि आपका फैंस बॉलीवुड में काफ़ी सारे बॉलीवुड में है, आपका फैंस है, हम खुद आपका फैंस है, आपके पिक्चर हम देखा करते हैं. आज आए हैं, हम भी देखने बड़ा एक्साइटमेंट थे, पर लेट आए पर स्वस्थ आए, अच्छे आए. तो नेक्स्ट अगर बॉलीवुड करना चाहते हैं तो बॉलीवुड में किसके साथ काम करना चाहते हैं? आपको करना चाहो तो?
Actually, I don't know. I don't want to select anybody. If anybody comes good on my way, he might be a newcomer or I think a recognized director, anybody. But I don't mind doing with a newcomer also. If the project is good or if it touches my heart, ज़रूर काम करता हूँ.
Shivraj sir, you have been in the industry for so many years now. To your little video, you have been in the industry for a long time now. आप क्या changes देखते हैं Indian cinema mein, you know, how it is evolving day by days. And in Hindi circuit also we can see that South cinema, be it Hindi, Tamil, Telugu, Kannada, Malayalam, whatever, they are taking over a little bit on the Hindi cinema as compared to the content that South industry is providing. क्या आप इत्तेफाक रखते हैं इस बात से?
I think technically they have become brilliant, but because most of the South film, not only from now, from the previous days also, when Sivaji Ganeshan sir, MGR sir, Rajkumar sir, then Chiranjeevi sir, from those period itself, that the subjects were very good actually. Subjects were very good, and that very emotional scripts, and it was very natural. So even now anybody can, because a lot of films are there where they have remade it in Hindi. So I think basically this has gone one step ahead because of the technical facilities. But those time that facilities was not there. But this now the facility is there. What cinema they made that time, they took about 50 or 60 days. Now the same that cinema nowadays they take about 200 days, 300 days. Sometimes even now, this one no, this film 80 days. We took 100 days actually. I know one film I'm doing now, Dad one film. I think it'll come in all languages, but we took only 35 days, that's all. Sometimes it happens. Sometimes the script is so good, so pakka that it depends. Because South Indian people are like that they work on the script more.
We want to see more of South cinema into Hindi film industry, But do you feel that the language sometimes becomes a barrier? Ya Hindi seekhna, ya even for Tamil or Telugu, whatever language it is. Do you think it's a barrier?
Not at all. Nothing else. Because nowadays they say they do it in Kannada and then they'll dub. Nowadays, at least 3 languages we have to do: Tamil, Kannada, and Hindi we have to do. Because closest, easily we can make it out. Whatever AI is there, easily they'll make it out. That lip sync will be out. But now for us, we take in that we have done all the languages now.
So one last question from my end. We have seen this is a multi-star film. There are many actors in the film. Being an actor yourself and being so veteran actor, do you feel that the stars become a little bit, cautious when it comes to multi-star cast? We have seen Dhurandhar in Hindi cinema. I don't know if you have seen the film.
Yeah, I've seen.
So how was the film? Please tell us first of all.
Fantastic. Very nice. The emotions was very good. The making was very good. And performances especially was very good.
Any specific performance that you enjoyed the more? Because we have seen Akshay Khanna performing so well. I mean, more than the
Akshay
actor.
Khanna I liked, but Ranveer Singh I liked well. I think it was amazing. So beautifully he has performed.
Okay.
The subtlety was very good because his role demands that subtlety. At least Akshay Khanna's role is there where he can do whatever he wants. That liberty was there. But Ranveer Singh's role is not very easy to do that. It's very beautiful. Subtly he had done it very brilliantly well.
Okay. So what are your thoughts on the multi-star cast, when come to in a single movie?
No, it's good actually. No, actually we should bother about our roles, and we should not just ask why that one, why this one. We should just go on believing the director. I believe my director. I trust him. I trust myself first. So I don't know botheration. Because a multi-star cinema is necessary now.
Perfect. Thank you.
Thank you.
Language problem.
ಯಾವುದೆಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳಿ ಸರ್ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ.
ಹಾಂ.
ನಲವತ್ತೈದು ಯಾಕೆ 45 ಟೈಟ್ ಇಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ?
हिंदी में माफ करना भाई, 45 डेज को गरुड़ पुराण में एक आत्मा, मेरा आत्मा को क्या क्या करना, पूजा करना, क्या करना को ये 45 डेज को ये सब्जेक्ट भाई. थैंक यू.
शिवा सर, एक लास्ट क्वेश्चन सर आपसे है. आफ्टर दैट वील रैप दिस अप. बच्चन साहब के साथ आई जस्ट कम टू नो दैट यू हैड अ वेरी लॉन्ग फ्रेंडशिप विद सर एंड you always wanted to be a part of cinema with him, or he want to work with you. Anything that way you want to be? Or
Actually we have been together in Kalyan Jewellers, so we have a lot of shoots we have done together now. Still now we have not thought of any this one because I don't want to take unnecessary advantage of, just because I know him very well. He has been very close with my family, so any good project comes, really I would love to work with him, or we would love to call him to Kannada also.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you, media, for joining us. We would like to sign off or getting blockbuster in South. Okay, last but not the least, I would like to invite Nikita Ghag, ma'am, who is from BJP Maharashtra, who is a vice president of Cinema Self. Please give a round of applause for her.
And thank you, Nikita ma'am. Thank you for coming and supporting our film. It's my pleasure. Thank you.
Ma'am, would you like to say something about the film?
Yes, of course. मैं खुद एक शिव भक्त हूँ, भैरव भक्त हूँ. सो गूज़बम्स आए जब ये सॉन्ग देखा मैंने, जो हमने वापस वंस मोर प्ले किया. सो भारतीय जनता पार्टी की तरफ से मैं टीम 45 को, हमारे प्रोड्यूसर जी, रेड्डी जी, अर्जुन जानिया जी, डायरेक्टर जी, एंड फेमस एंड लेजेंडरी एक्टर शिवा राजकुमार जी, इनको शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहती हूँ कि उन्होंने इतनी हिम्मत और इतनी शिद्दत से सनातन धर्म को, हमारे ग्रंथों को, हमारे इतिहास को, हमारे पुराणों को इतने बड़े पर्दे पर लाने का काम किया. और मैं ऑडियंस से, मीडिया से ये रिक्वेस्ट करना चाहूँगी कि हमारे देश में ये फिल्म घर घर तक पहुँचनी चाहिए. और हर देश में मैं ये कामना करती हूँ कि हर देश में इस फिल्म को सक्सेस मिले, क्योंकि सनातन धर्म पूरी दुनिया में फेमस हो. है ही हमारा सनातन धर्म, बट पूरी दुनिया को पता चले हमारी परंपरा, हमारी संस्कृति. एंड वंस अगेन भारतीय जनता पार्टी की तरफ से मैं आपको वादा करती हूँ, सर को वादा करती हूँ कि महाराष्ट्र में कोई भी ज़रूरत पड़े इस फिल्म के लिए, मैं हमेशा सदैव आपके साथ हूँ.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you. Post photo ops, we are open for Q&As. फोटो op के बाद हम Q&A करेंगे.